welcome back to my channel. So today's video is kind of sad. So tomorrow is Thanksgiving, right? And usually I spend Thanksgiving with my family in Maryland. This year we were gonna do it in DC. So Lisa was gonna drive down to DC because her family lives in DC too. So yeah, I was gonna go with Lisa to DC, but Lisa is feeling very sick right now, unfortunately. So I kind of just had to scrap those plans. And since it's Thanksgiving week, it's like there's like buses and trains sold out, plane tickets are through the roof. So I'm spending Thanksgiving here, guys, by myself for the first time since I ever started celebrating Thanksgiving. And we're gonna cook tomorrow and just, you know, vibe, drink, eat, stuff ourselves, because I don't feel like going hungry tomorrow. That's not the vibe. So yeah, and Lisa's gonna come too, so we're just gonna be here eating, chilling, relaxing, and that's really the vibe. So I just wanted to update you guys tonight because tomorrow I'm just gonna be cooking. So I'm gonna show you guys, you know, what this experience is like, making Thanksgiving dinner for the first time. Dami's making the turkey, and she's making, okay. So we wanted to do gizzed doodle, but we couldn't find chicken gizzard anywhere. We went to 3 different places. So we're gonna use goat's meat. Goat's meat for gizzed doodle. Goat's doodle. So I'm just trying to make the best out of the situation. You know what it is? You know what you do? I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get into it. Okay, so I'm making a Trader Joe's dinner. Orange chicken is baking. Like I relate to that. See, you say hi to my vlog.
Oh my god. Wait. Move this thing right down. Calm down. I'm on the camera. Hi. Ah! Okay, hi guys.
So subscribe to Moya's channel.
Subscribe to Moya's channel. Like,
Her.
tell a friend, to tell another friend, to tell your ex, to tell your ex-friend, tell everybody in your circle to subscribe to Moya's channel.
Period. Just pour a little bit and then rub it around.
That mix.
I think I'm just going to use my hand today.
Yeah. First time turkey makers in the building. Actually, yeah, the one making the turkey. I don't know why I'm claiming credits.
I'll leave this together.
Mission accomplished, guys.
Huh?
Dami has successfully moisturized his chicken. Now she's gonna put it in the fridge.
For
yes.
24 hours.
We'll see. Oh, damn. Good morning, all. I don't know if I'm the only person that's awake. That's why I'm whispering. But it is 10 a.m. I just brought out the turkey from the fridge to, you know, warm up before we put it in the oven. And I'm about to start making the sauce for the jollof rice. Blending, frying, you know. And then I'm gonna start grating cheese for the mac and cheese. And that's what I'm on. Yeah, let's get into that. Okay guys, so I have all the stuff that I need to make the pepper sauce for the jollof rice. I'm about to start blending. Literally burnt this thing. But you know, jollof rice is supposed to be, you know, smoky. So, but I added my tomato puree, guys. That means doing stuffing with green onions, bell peppers, you know, onions, blah blah blah. This is a turkey, very marinated.
all the pieces. Yeah.
Atomic, don't you die yet. You've been way more than a friend of mine. We more like fam. But raised from stress and strife, and that's the blessing that.
Okay, yo, I took a 1 hour break to play Sims. It is now 1:15. So I have my crab cakes over here. I wanted to get fresh crab, but the fresh crab at Walmart was like $50 for some insane reason. So I got crab cakes and I'm gonna mash some of them up and put them in here. Probably gonna save one to eat because I love crab cakes. Or maybe I should just leave the crab cakes as a side. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna leave it as a side. I'm about to season my mac with these guys, and then I'm boiling my macaroni. And let's check on the turkey. Ooh, turkey is on 1 hour. Wow.
What do you guess
Wow.
what's inside? Seasoning? Bell pepper. Oh, okay. Parsley. That's smelling good.
You say why is it smelling good? It's supposed to smell bad.
Don't mind no.
Goat dodo loading. That's interesting. Hi guys. Hi guys. The plantain is very hard. The problem here is that when we went to the store, right, there was no ripe plantain. So we just had to make do with what we found. You get, because one greedy lady just went and packed all the plantains. We saw her standing in the aisle with like 20 plantains in her cart. Anyway, so we just fried our unripe plantain and it's giving plantain chips. So that's what we're gonna call it. But she'll be done soon, so I'm gonna go shower.
We talked about this before. Put it back. Let me.
We've been on this before.
I wasn't just to zoom in right here. Pick your 6.
Last shot coming first. Watch my God work. She picked the card and then she played it.
Yeah, you can do that. Right? So it's you?
It's me, right?
No.
It's two reversed.
She reversed it. So you did screw. So
Going back the way it was going before.
oh, original American.
Yeah, that's
She reversed.
that means. Oh, she put 2 reverses?
Yeah.
So there was 3 reverses.
Yeah. It was. No, it was screw. No. She did screw. And then
Cute face ass fat. Jump in my jeans, jump in my bag.
I cannot do this thing.
She's not out. I don't want that. See bad. No, it's not. Watch my God work.